space checked.
Hi friends, do you want to learn how to build websites? Please watch this video till the end. Welcome to Tech with VI. In this video I am going to talk about what is web development and why we have to learn this. And today we will build our first web page. Let's talk about what is web development. Web development is a skill. By learning this skill we may develop web pages or any website. To build any website we have to learn three things in web development. Those things are front-end, back-end and database. Let's discuss one by one. Front-end means in any web pages or any web application, what things we can interact, that is front-end. For instance, headings, buttons, paragraphs, links. This is front-end. Second one, back-end. Back-end means that what thing has hidden from us and we can't see that things in any web pages or web application. That is back-end. For instance, what code has written to build that website, that code we can't see in our web pages, that is backend. Third one, database. Database is most important in web development because without database we can't build website and we can't collect others data. Let's assume friends, I am creating one web development course and you all are filling that web development course form. After submitting that form, if that form is not, that data I am not getting in my website, then how can I contact you and how can I start that course? For that, database is very important. In database we have two types, SQL database and second one is non-SQL database. SQL means data has arranged in tables, rows and columns, sorry not table, rows and columns. In non-SQL database, data has not arranged in rows and columns. This is database. So let's discuss about HTML. HTML is a markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This language was introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. By using HTML, we can build any web pages and website. In HTML, we have headings, paragraphs. In website also we have these things, headings, links, buttons. To create these are all things, we have to learn HTML first. In HTML, we have tags and attributes. By using tags and attributes, these can be created. So let's write our simple code today. I'm going to open Notepad.
Untitled dash notepad text editor document blank.
Okay, here I have opened the Notepad. First I am saving this file in desktop.
Save as dialog. File name : combo box collapsed. Edit.
Here I am giving the name index.
I select N D E X.
After giving the index, we have to give the extension of HTML. The extension of HTML is .html, index.html.
Index.html.
After giving the name, we have to select here all files. In Notepad, we have two types of files. One is text file, another one is all file. Do not select text file. If you select text file, it will become nodes. Our code will not run and we can't get the output. That's why select the all files.
Save as type : combo box text documents left parent star.t expanded. Save as text all files left parent star.
Okay, it got selected.
Items preview level 2 desktop collect. Items view index.ht.
Okay friends, file got saved. Here I am writing the code. As I talked about in HTML, we have tags, opening tag and closing tag. While opening any tag, we have to use the symbol less to open any HTML tag. And to close any HTML tag, we have to use slash symbol. So let's write the simple code today. Here I am writing less exclamation doc type HTML greater.
Less. Bang. Caps lock on. D.
Doc type should be written in capital letters.
O C T Y P E. Caps lock off. Doc type space.
After writing doc type, we have to use write HTML greater.
HTML greater.
Friends, this line represent
less bang doc type HTML greater.
And this line is declaring this is our document type. After writing our document type, we have to open the HTML tag.
Blank.
To open HTML tag, we have to use less HTML greater.
Less. HTML. HTML greater.
After opening the HTML tag, we have to open head tag.
Less. H-E-A-D. Head greater.
Friends, by using head tag, we can insert our metadata. That data is not we are looking in any web pages or web application. After opening the head tag, we have to give title by using title tag. Less, title, greater.
Less. T-I-T-L-E. Title greater.
Friends, you whenever you are navigating in any website, that website or any web application has particular title. If you check it, that website has particular title. That's why here I am giving one particular title called "This is my first web page."
T-H-I-S is space I-S is space M-Y my space F-I-R-S-T first space W-E-B web space E-A-G-E.
Okay, here I have inserted the title.
Page.
After inserting title, we have to close the title tag.
Less slash H-E-A-D. Head greater.
After closing title, we must close the head tag also.
Less slash H-E-A-D. Head greater.
After closing head tag, we have to open the body tag. Less than body greater.
Less. B-O-D-Y. Body greater.
Friends, in HTML, whatever text we are writing, that we have to write in body tag. And whatever text has written to build that website, that has written in body tag. Body tag is most important in HTML. Here I am writing hello world.
H-E-L-L-O. Hello space. W-O-R-L-D.
Okay, here I have written hello world.
World.
I am closing the body tag now.
Less slash B-O-D-Y. Body greater.
Finally, I am closing the HTML tag.
Less slash HTML. HTML greater.
Okay friends, save this file by pressing Ctrl S. Okay, it got saved. I am going to desktop.
Folder view list.
Now I am running this.
index.html 9 of 9.
In this file, if I hit the enter, I will get my output.
This is my first web page.
After opening this page, we must refresh our page. How to refresh? By pressing Ctrl R, or second shortcut key is Fn plus F5 key.
This is my first web page. Less slash head greater. Less slash head greater. Less file colon slash C colon slash user slash HP slash desktop list. Index.ops 30 index.ht index. Less slash body greater. Hello world. Less body greater. Less slash head greater. Less slash head greater. This is my first web page.
Friends, here I have made one mistake and I have closed the head tag 2 times. Never do this mistake. If you make any mistake while doing coding, we will not get the output exactly.
Less slash head greater. Less.
Here I am deleting this line.
Less slash head greater carriage return. This is less title greater. This is my first web page. Less slash head greater. Less body greater. Less slash head. This is my first. Less title greater. Less head greater. Less title greater. This is my first web page. Less slash head greater.
And I did not close the title tag also.
This is my first carriage. This is blank.
Here I am closing the title tag. Less slash
T-I-T-L-E. Title greater.
Now I have closed. I am saving this file by pressing Ctrl S. See the entire code first.
Less bang doc type HTML greater.
This is our doc type.
Less HTML greater.
And here I have opened the HTML tag and I have explained it also.
Less head greater. Less title greater. This is my first web page. Less slash title greater.
Here I have closed the title tag.
Less slash head greater. Less body greater. Hello world. Less slash body greater. Less slash HTML greater.
Friends, this is our entire code. Now open this page in Google Chrome.
Ops 30 index.8 ops 30 index.ht index. Folder. This PC 4 of 9 index. This is my.
I am refreshing this page.
This is my first web page. Hello world. This is my first.
Now we got the output. First check the title by pressing insert plus T.
This is my first web page dash Google Chrome. This is my first web page dash.
This is our actual title and here we got the output called Hello World.
Hello world.
So friends, in this video we have discussed what is web development and how to write the simple code in HTML. Whosoever have queries regarding this video, let me ask. Please like this video, share this video and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.